Big Easy software is so easy to use. I'm Michelle Carley, a bookkeeping expert with a penchant for finding time-saving shortcuts. I love working with numbers, but I also have compassion for those that don't, so I designed Big Easy software. It's great for small businesses, nonprofits, groups, clubs, and even for your personal finances. It sets up in next to no time. It's user-friendly and super easy to make changes. You can enter data manually on each row or use the importer, categorize the transactions, and let Big Easy do the rest. It's customizable so you can track just the categories that make sense to you. Everything adds up to summary totals for year-end reports with just one click. You're going to love using this time-saving accounting program to track profits, produce clear, concise reports, to share with your associates, and to stay organized for tax time. Go ahead and make those important decisions because you can trust the accuracy of the reports it produces. Our online version works with Google Sheets, and the desktop one works with Windows 7 or newer. Both are priced right. The best part is our customer service. Schedule a free half-hour screen sharing demonstration and customization help today at bigeasy.com. Thanks for watching.